Minnie and her husband Joel lived a peaceful life close to nature, spending their days gardening, fishing, and teaching their children the values of self-sufficiency. They prided themselves on a simple grow what you eat lifestyle, planting fruits and vegetables and catching fish from nearby lakes to prepare fresh meals. One afternoon, while cleaning a mudfish for dinner, Minnie accidentally dropped her knife and felt something strange within the fish's belly. Moments later, the decapitated fish began to twitch on its own, making her scream in shock. Joel rushed to her side, and together they discovered the scientific explanation. Salt can trigger muscle contractions even after death. Relieved, but still shaken, Minnie continued cleaning the fish, unaware that a far greater surprise was still waiting for her inside. As she cut deeper, Minnie noticed a hard lump inside the fish. When she opened it, a faint golden glow caught her eye. It was a gold necklace with an anchor-shaped pendant. The couple stood speechless, unable to understand how such an object could have ended up inside the fish. Their curiosity turned to amazement when they discovered more inside, a cluster of small, shiny beads. Joel examined them under the light and realized they were real pearls. The couple could hardly believe their luck. They later learned that each pearl could be worth hundreds, possibly thousands of euros. Joel filmed the discovery and shared it online, and within hours, the video exploded with comments. Some people were amazed, while others suspected it was all staged. Still, the couple was thrilled by their rare find and wondered if there could be even more surprises hidden among the other fish they had caught that day. Weeks later, Minnie decided to check the remaining fish stored in their freezer. She thawed and cleaned them one by one, but nothing unusual appeared until she reached the fifth fish. As her knife hit something hard, her heart raced. Inside the fish's stomach was another piece of jewelry, a gold ring. When she cleaned it, she noticed two engraved names and a date, James and Madeline Jeffords. The couple grew excited, realizing this might be a wedding ring lost years ago. Determined to find the rightful owners, they spent hours searching online. Finally, after endless scrolling and cups of coffee, they found a match, an elderly couple named James and Madeline who lived up north. Minnie sent a message explaining the discovery, and after a long night of waiting, a reply came, "Yes, we lost a wedding ring years ago. Who are you?" It was an emotional moment for both sides. Minnie and Joel decided to personally return the ring. When they arrived, they were greeted by the elderly couple standing hand in hand, tears in their eyes. Madeline explained that decades ago, she had accidentally dropped her small bag of jewelry into the sea, believing it was lost forever. She showed old photographs of her and James wearing the same gold ring and the necklace with the anchor pendant. It was a powerful moment, two families brought together by fate and the wonders of nature. Out of gratitude, the elderly couple insisted that Minnie and Joel keep the necklace as a token of appreciation. The experience left both couples deeply moved, proving that sometimes life's most unexpected miracles come from the simplest acts, like cleaning a fish for dinner. It was a story of luck, destiny, and the mysterious ways in which the world can reconnect people across miles and generations.